Do you want to learn how to blur a vehicle number plate on Google Maps? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So head over to Google Maps and find the location where there's a vehicle with a number plate not blurred. Now, mostly you're going to find that they have blurred the faces and the vehicle number plates automatically. But if you find that there's a vehicle with the number plate not blurred, you can click on this on the bottom right, take it to that location. For example, I found a vehicle here, and as you can see that the number plate is blurred automatically. But if it's not blurred automatically, on the bottom right, you're going to find report a problem. Click on this. It's going to take you to this page where it's going to have this red square. You need to align this square to that number plate. So you need to scroll in or out with your middle mouse. Now down here, you're going to find why are you reporting this image. Please choose from one set of options. You can either select from request blurring or you can select from report image quality. If this image is not good, you can select this overall poor image quality, or on the top it has request blurring. So we're going to select this, my vehicle, select this, click on I certify, add more additional information. Is this actually your vehicle? You need to clarify that because they're going to ask you that information over to your email. Type in as much information as needed. Under this, you're going to find email address. This is required. Type in the correct email address of yours because they might ask you more information regarding this report that you have done. Even the success confirmation is going to come to your email. Click on this reCAPTCHA. I'm not a robot. And once this is done, click on submit. And that's it. This is how to blur a vehicle number plate on Google Maps Street View. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.